Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate destination for mastering professional design workflows with speed and precision. Tired of messy layouts and unorganized data ruining your designs? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to creating perfectly structured, high-impact tables in Canva. Step 1. Launch your workspace. First, head over to your Canva dashboard and hit that Create a Design button in the top left corner. Starting with a fresh workspace is the key to maintaining a clean and professional creative process. Step 2. Pick your project format. Select a presentation or any template that fits your goals to open up a crisp, blank canvas ready for your data. Choosing the right dimensions from the start ensures your table looks sharp and perfectly scaled for your audience. Step 3. Access the Elements panel. Navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Elements tab, which houses Canva's entire library of powerful design assets. This is the central hub where you'll find the structural tools needed to organize your information beautifully. Step 4. Search for table assets. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type in the word table and hit enter to pull up the latest grid styles. Instantly, Canva will filter through thousands of assets to show you the most relevant data entry layouts available. Step 5. Explore the full library. Click on See All within the table results to expand your view and browse through a variety of sleek, modern table designs. Having the full gallery at your fingertips allows you to pick a style that matches your brand's specific aesthetic. Step 6. Insert your selection. Once you find the perfect layout, simply click it to drop the table directly onto your canvas for immediate editing. It's a seamless transition that takes you from a blank page to a structured document in a single second. Step 7. Position for perfection. Click and drag the table to your preferred location, ensuring it sits perfectly within your design's visual hierarchy. Proper placement is essential for keeping your viewers focused on the most important data points in your project. If you want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest design hacks, make sure to subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Join our community of creators and never miss an update on how to level up your professional skills. Step 8. Master the header menu. Click the 3 dots at the top of your table to unlock advanced controls like merging cells or adding new columns. This menu gives you the surgical precision needed to tailor the table's structure to your specific data needs. Step 9. Utilize side controls. For even more customization, use the 3 dots on the left side of the table to manage row height and vertical alignment. These tools ensure that your rows are perfectly balanced and easy for your audience to read at a glance. Step 10. Input your data. Simply click inside any individual cell and start typing to populate your table with your high-value content. Canva's intuitive interface makes data entry feel like a breeze, allowing you to focus on the message rather than the tech. Step 11. Style your typography. Highlight your text and use the top toolbar to swap fonts, adjust sizes, and apply professional styling to your data. Consistent typography is what makes your table look like it was designed by a top-tier creative agency. Step 12. Customize the color palette. Tap the color box icon to apply your brand colors to the cells, creating a cohesive and visually striking look. A well-colored table doesn't just look better. It helps guide the eye to the most critical information effortlessly. Step 13. Refine the border aesthetics. Finally, head to the border settings to adjust line weight, style, or remove borders entirely for a modern, minimalist look. This final polish is what gives your design that premium, high-end feel that US audiences love. You've just mastered Canva tables and taken your design game to a whole new level of professional. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.